settle in, watch the weather work its way beneath my skin. No plans to make, no place to be, just puddles forming poetry. There's something sacred in the slow, the way the drops compose a song only I know. Streetlights shimmer blurring bright, painting watercolors in the fading light. Let it rain, let it pour down, let it wash the weight I've been carrying around. Every drop's a soft refrain. I come alive when it rains. The storm outside, the stillness here. I'm learning how to love the in-between, my dear. No need for blue skies overhead, I'll take the gray and silver thread instead. The world can wait beyond my door. I found exactly what I'm looking for. In this pause, the truth remains. There's grace in slowing down, there's beauty in the clouds. I'm finally feeling found. Let it rain, let it pour down, let it wash away the noise, the rushing sound. Every drop's a sweet refrain. I find myself when it rains. So let it stay a little longer. Every storm just makes me strong.